Hey guys, and welcome back. Do not mind the overexposed sun right now. I have my artificial lighting in front of me, but the sun is setting and it is gleaming. So as you can see, it is April 15th and I finally got my Boxycharm box. I'm so excited. I just got it. It's the end of the day. I'm already unwinding with a glass of wine. I am aware that we are in the middle of a pandemic, so I'm trying my hardest not to be a Karen. Not that I am a Karen. It's so good to look forward to something, and receiving Boxycharm for me is like Christmas every month. Quick story time, and I swear we will get into the unboxing. So long story short, it's actually a short story in general, but anyways, so I had a bunch of charms from referring friends and everything, so I thought, why not redeem my charms? And I wanted the Cica London glitter lipstick. This is the Glitter Storm lipstick in the shade Cosmic. So I was so excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have to pay for this. I have enough charms. Like, so cool. The computer, the Boxycharm website had a glitch. When I went to check out, it said quantity 1, but after my order was placed, that shit changed to quantity 2. I used my charms, and then I was also charged $22 for a lipstick. So again, I was calm. I emailed Boxycharm. I was like, hey, you overcharged me. Your website had a glitch. I only wanted to use my charms for the one lipstick, just the one. I don't need two of the same lipstick. And then they kindly responded saying, sorry, we can't refund you. I was a little mad, but it's fine. I'm a nice person, so I just responded again saying, hey, you know what? My order hasn't even shipped yet. How about you just cancel it? Keep my charms if you have to. I do not need two of the same lipsticks. I don't want to be charged $22 for a lipstick that I do not need. Never got back to me. So, whatever. I get it, you're in a pandemic. It was probably a robot who responded to me. So I have two of the same lipsticks. I am gonna give one to my friend Taylor because she's a beautiful, beautiful friend and she's going to be rocking this lipstick. I just really want to show you guys how amazing this lipstick is. I had already swatched it and shared it on my Instagram story, but look how beautiful this lipstick is. Like, the packaging alone, this glitter is unreal. And then when you twist up the actual lipstick, the glitter on this, guys, like, I don't know if the camera is doing this justice. It's just the most beautiful frosty lipstick shade, and I know I'm going to be rocking this all summer long. So like I said, long story short, I'm not mad at Boxycharm because I know it's a crazy hectic time in the world right now. I'm just gonna give it to my friend because spreading kindness is the only thing we can do right now. So I just wanted to share that tidbit with you. Now we can go ahead and unbox our Boxycharm box. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. Hey, this month we got some foam and we got 2 cards. Okay, and it looks like this is just a little piece of advertisement for the makeup eraser cloth, which clearly I didn't get, but hey, now I got a little coupon. I can get 20% off of the makeup eraser if I want. I don't know. If you guys got the makeup eraser, tell me how you like it, and I might use this coupon to get one myself. And then we got our little card this month. I'm actually excited that there's actually packaging in my box, especially because from what I can see, the first product we are going to be talking about is breakable. And I'm actually so excited I got these in my box. I was telling my coworker and my friend, if I don't get these in my box, I will literally trade them or pay them for it because I wanted these iconic drops so bad. So these are the iconic London Illuminator drops. Oh, and I got this beautiful kind of coppery shade. It doesn't say which shade this is in. It says original. Is this the original shade? I don't know. And I actually really wanted these because I think for the summertime, if we're allowed to leave our houses by then, I think this is gonna be so beautiful to kind of just brighten up your shoulder and your décolleté area. Décolleté, I don't know why that was so hard for me to say. Or, you know, just use it as a nice splash of highlight on your face. Okay, and going in, the second item in my box, honestly, this is not the choice that I chose. I actually chose the Elemis Superfood serum. I know a lot of people have been having this problem, but it is what it is. Like I said, we are in the middle of the pandemic right now, and Boxycharm probably has a lot up their sleeve. A lot of them are probably working from home, and I don't know what their warehouse conditions are. So we gotta kind of give them some slack. Let's try to just relax and stay positive. So this is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Cleansing Foam. It is a calming micellar cleanser. And while I was kind of choosing to see what choice I wanted to pick for April's box, I did read reviews on this, and all the reviews were amazing. My coworker got this and she also said she loves it, so I'm not even mad that I got this, guys. I'm a Libra. I'm indecisive anyways. Maybe this was the universe's way to tell me this is really what I wanted, not the serum. We're gonna try to stay positive and keep moving on to see what else I got in my box. Okay, so moving on, we have the POREfessional Smoothing Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. I do have combination skin, so I do have problems with enlarged pores, needless to say, especially in that T-zone area. I've actually never used Benefit's pore primers before either, but I know a lot of people love them. I just hope it doesn't break me out because my skin is insanely sensitive. I just want to feel the consistency of this, I really do. Okay, it's a nude color. And you know what? I have a lot of fine lines on the back of my hand, and just that little amount covered it pretty well. I hope this doesn't have a drying look on my skin in those areas that my skin does get dry, because I do kind of have that combo skin. But I'm excited to give this a try. I feel like this is one of those oldie but a goodie, the pore primer. I've heard a lot about this. Moving on. I was actually, you know what? I'm actually excited that I got these brushes. I love these colors. I've been super into neons lately. If I can get these out of the packaging. Oh, oops, I missed one. Oh, and this one's a double whammy. Okay, so we have a nice, oh, these are not the softest things in the world, are they? Okay, they're a little coarse. And this one's like a little detailing brush, but it's a little sparse. I don't know. We're not gonna knock them till we try them. What brand is this? I didn't even read you the brand. These are the Lavish makeup brushes. Okay, so they don't feel extremely soft, but they look pretty cute. So we have the Lavish tapered blending brush. It's this pink one right here. And then we have the eye shading brush, which is kind of like your standard sort of flat brush. But it's not too dense, so I feel like you could still kind of blend with that. You have the brow groomer. Okay, so we have your little spoolie to kind of help groom your brows there, and then you have the little eyeshadow, or I'm sorry, brow powder and or gel. It's a nice angled brush. Again, it's not the cleanest and most sharpest brush that I've seen for eyebrows. It's a little, like, the brushes kind of are everywhere, so I don't know how detailed you can get with these, especially this detailing one. I feel like it's not as like clean and sharp as I would want a detailing brush to be. I feel like the hairs on the brush are kind of going everywhere. I'll show you guys a close-up of that. This is a pencil brush, so I feel like, honestly, this one's a little coarse and very, very dense. I feel like this will be really good for your under eye area right there. So I'm just gonna put these back in their little home here, and you know what? I'm gonna give them a try. I probably won't love them just from my first kind of initial impression of them, but the theme of this month and until this pandemic is over is to stay positive. Okay, last product. Again, I'm so excited that I got these two. So these are the Illuminati gel paints. It says we have the colors electric pink and electric blue. Let's go ahead and dive into these cuties. And you know what? It's been such a big trend lately for colored eyeliners, especially like these neon tones. All right, so these are what they look like. All right. Oh, you know, for some reason I thought these were liquid. How do you twist them up? Okay, they're kind of hard to twist up. How do you twist this up? What is happening here? Why did I think this was a liquid? How do you twist these up? Am I stupid? Is this it? Is that the whole product? I don't even know what's happening right now. It's probably a mixture of, it's the end of the day, it's hump day, it's Wednesday, and we've had some wine. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So that is electric. I still have some highlighter on my hand too. Okay, now let's go ahead and swatch this pink here. Ooh, that pink. I feel like I want this pink on my lips. I want it on my lips right now. These colors are gorgeous. I'm so excited to play around with these. I can get some beautiful looks with these, honestly. Freaking pumped. So even though I didn't 100% get my way, you know, with being overcharged with a $22 lipstick and then getting the non-choice that I wanted, it's fine. Everything worked out. I still love everything in my box. Okay guys, and that is it. My box is empty. We got our foam this month, so that's cool. Alright, and as always, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe below. I do a lot of unboxing and product reviews, so if that sounds like something you're interested, go ahead and just hit that subscribe button below and see all my past videos, future videos. There's more to come. Alright guys, stay safe and I'll see you next time.